So now we're going to look at a radical equation in which it shows the importance of checking because we have an extraneous solution. The process is, again, the same. Isolate the radical, take the power on both sides that is the index of the radical. If it's cube root, you'd cube. Fourth root, you'd take it to the fourth power. Square root, you'd square, so on and so forth. So first off, let's isolate the radical. Let's add m to both sides. We have the square root of m plus 9 minus m plus 3 equals 0. And we want to solve for m. So let's add m to both sides. Let's subtract 3 from both sides. So plus m minus 3, that's going to give us the square root of m plus 9 equals m minus 3. The radical is a square root, so we square both sides. The square root of m plus 9 squared is just m plus 9. M minus 3 squared is m squared minus 6m plus 9. Now let's subtract m and 9 from both sides. I'm going to make the right side the left side the right side again, so we have the variable on the left-hand side. M minus m and 9 minus 9 gives us 0. And then we're left on the other side with m squared. Negative 6m minus m is minus 7m. And then 9 minus 9 is just 0. So it's m squared minus 7m, which means we can factor out an m. So m times m minus 7 equals 0, which that gives us m equals 0 or m equals 7. Because m minus 7 equals 0. One of them has to equal 0. So let's check our solutions. Start with when m equals 0. So the square root of m plus 9, so 0 plus 9 minus 0 plus 3. We want to know, does that equal 0? So 0 plus 9 is 9. Square root of 9 is 3. 3 minus 0 plus 3 is 6 equals 0. So that does not check, which means m equals 0 is not a solution. M equals 7. We have the square root of 7 plus 9 minus 7 plus 3. Again, we want to know, does that equal 0? So 7 plus 9 is 16. Square root of 16 is 4 minus 7 plus 3. We want to know, does that equal 0? 4 minus 7 is negative 3 plus 3 does equal 0. So that solution checks. So the square root of m plus 9 minus m plus 3 equals 0 if m equals 7. And again, this shows the importance of when radicals are involved, we have to square both sides of an equation. Checking the solution is extremely important, again, because the conditions aren't the same for what's under the radical as what they are once we square.